Have it, everybody. Welcome to Viva Tequila. Thank you, everybody, for spending some of your time with us here and sharing it on a Monday. Jesus Masi to everybody who traveled in. Shout out to my primos in the back who all flew in from Guam. My name is Joe Guam, everybody, and I just want to share my appreciation to everybody for all the connections on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and all of that throughout the years. Jesus Masi, everybody. On the tables is a QR code. It looks like this. If you scan it, you can see the songs that I know how to play. And anything you tap on will send me a message up here. Let me know what you guys want to hear. So here's the first request of the night. My goal today is to try and bring just a little bit of the Marianas out to you guys here in Las Vegas and make you just a little bit mahalang to go back home. So hope you guys enjoy yourself. I'm gonna start this one off with a song from Ruby Santos. It's a song called Take Me Back. Hope you guys enjoy this. Buenas, everybody. Jesus Masi Talo. As a child, I have traveled to the east and western coast. Always knew the island life is what I treasured most. I lived and loved and wondered, seeing all there is to see. Thought I had convinced myself the city lies for me. Take me back to the island in the sea. For I hear an island songbird calling me. Take me back to the island in the sun. For I know that's where the heart in me belongs. Hace todo el tiempo ay man malo fan mi nagofu. Don't know easy to cross ya to gaigi to bini pogu. Matu mi nagofu tan mi now lik sini teku. Sagwa nahu tungo na Islan Paraguahu Konitu tati kita nohu ikan tuntasi sa hungok no gang tungi airi Konitu guatu hina isla iguina itaku Yaiki grina lugar minna gobu. back to the island in the sea. For I hear an island songbird calling me. Take me back to the island in the sun. For I know that's where the heart in me belongs. Starting off with the first request of the night, that's a song from Jesse Ruby, everybody, a song called Take Me Back. So if at any point tonight you guys feel mahalang for the islands, it's your cue to book a ticket to go home. And if you haven't been home in a long time, I think it's time. All right, we're gonna jump in here. Here's the next request for you. Oh yeah, we got a bunch. This is a song from Casey DeLonger, everybody, a song called Tamarita Girl. Hope you guys enjoy. From the look in her eyes, I realized something about her. I'm discovered that no other man has seen before. She's got dark brown eyes and ruby lips, beautiful thighs, nice shapy hips. She's the girl of my dream. She's the girl of my dream. Tamarita girl, native island girl. No other girl like you in this whole wide world. Tamarita girl, native island girl. No other girl like you in this whole wide world. Enjoying my by the beach with my native girl. Blanket of stars and a bright moonlight. Oh, what a beautiful sight. Me and my girl. Tamarita girl, oh, how I love you so. Make my heart and soul wanna grow with your love so strong. Nothing can go wrong. Tamarita girl, native island girl. No other girl like you in this whole wide world. Tamarita girl, native island girl. No other. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you. From the look in her eyes, I realized something about her. I'm discovered that no other man has seen before. She's got dark brown eyes and ruby lips, beautiful thighs, nice shapy hips. She's the girl of my dreams. She's the girl of my dreams. Tamarita girl, native island girl. No other girl like you, this whole wide world. Tamarita girl, native island girl. A girl like you, wide world. Tamarita girl, native island girl. No other girl like you in this whole wide world. like you in this whole wide world. Tamarita girl, dividing girl. No other girl like you in this whole wide world. By request, a song called Tamarita Girl. Thank you for that request. All right, here's the next request for you, everybody. This is a song originally composed by Van Morrison. You guys all know this song. I'm going to do this one a little island style. Here's a song called Brown Eyed Girl. Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came down in a hollow, playing a new game, laughing and a running, whoa, skipping and a jumping. In a misty morning, far with our hearts are thumping you, my brown-eyed girl. You're my brown-eyed girl. But do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-da? La 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 dee da, la dee da. Whatever happened? Tuesday so slow, going down the coal mine, the transistor radio, standing in the sunlight, I've been out behind a rainbow wall, kissing and hugging along the waterfall with you, brown-eyed girl. You're my brown-eyed girl. But do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-da? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-da, la-dee-da. my way. Now that I'm a lot more, I saw you just the other day. Thank you, brother. Thank you, thank you. Mama, how you him, bro? Gets the memories back to Lord. Sometimes I'm over thinking about making love in the green grass. I'm behind the stadium with you. You're my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Brown Eyed Girl, thank you for that request. I just missed it. I want to give a big shout out to Fred Cepeda. I played the Chamarita Girl song and the Brown Eyed Girl song. We take Jesus Masilai. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, if you guys just joining us, Jesus Masi for coming. You know, in the Marianas, we say something similar to Viva. You guys all know we say Biba in the Marianas, right? So when I say Biba Marianas, you guys got to respond with Biba. Here we go. Biba Marianas. Biba Marianas. Talufan, Biba Marianas. All right, here's the next request for you guys, everybody. This is a song from Senor Casey De Leon Guerrero. It's a song called Bonito na Haani. If this song doesn't take you back, I'm not sure what will, but hopefully we can try and take you there. Bonito na Haani. Go bonito, yani pogo, sin malakiada. Pues angay giao, kipionu. Maseha utsan, bonito amonay dia. Todo tempo na neni, tete tu no gipionu. Go bonito, yani pogo, sin malakiada. Pues angay giao, gipionu. Matus and magov do coração nu, por algo iguinais aku. Está contento do querido, no iguinais anil na izu. Go bonito, yani pogo, malakiada. Pues angay giao, gipionu. Maseha utsan, bonito amonay dia. Sa todo tempo na nini, tete tu no gipionu. Go bonito, yani pogo, sin malakiada. Pues angay giao, gipionu. Jesus Masilay, Señor. But pini muna kabolis, it's the ilina lahu. Staba gay di hong iwini pigu, no pogu gay gagibatan kanay hu. Go bonito, yani pogu, sin malakiada. Pues angay giao, gipionu. Maseha utsan, bonito amonay dia. Todo tempo na neni, tete tu no gipionu. sin malakihan daw. Pwes ang gaigiyaw, iyon hu. Masehautan, punini. Try that one more time, here we go. Hagu ipilan zani preskun manglu. Ego magwai pizzan pengi. Lo enchi todos na kiri dahu. Ay hagu wilin na lahu. Kung bonito, yani bago. Sin malaki daw. Pues sa gaigiyaw. Yun nu. Masehautan, muninito amon na itia. Sa todo tiempo na inini, sete tunog idonu. Kung bonito, yani bago, sin malaki daw. Pues ang gaigiyaw, iyon hu. Kung nini mo nakabalis, stili na lahu. Staba gaigiyaw, kiwinipihu. No pagu gaigiyaw, kipatan kanay hu. Kung bonito, yani pagu, sin malaki daw. Pues ang gaigiyaw, iyon hu. I'm sorry, everybody. I messed up that. Here we go. One more time. Here we go. I'm not going to lie. You guys are making me nervous tonight. Thank you guys for showing all this love here in Las Vegas. Jesus Mas, everybody. How's it bounce? Yani bago, sin malakihan daw. Pues ang gaigiyaw, iyon nu. Masehautan, muninito amon na itia. Sa todo tiempo na inini, sete tunog idonu. Kung bonito, yani bago, Jesus Pasalay, nalakihan daw. Pues ang gaigiyaw, iyon hu. My request, a song called Bonito na Honey from Casey De Leon Grove. Hey, Dispensa, I made a little bit of a mistake there, but I think it's all right. Okay, before we go any further, I just want to say a big undankl na Jesus Masi to everybody here. Pat, here at Viva Tequila, Jesus Masi for letting us come and share this space with him. A special, special big shout out to Gigi from Lake Las Vegas Living. Gigi's from the island of Guam, everybody. She graduated from JFK High School in Guam. So she helped us connect. Jesus Masi. So again, want a big shout out to Gigi from Las Vegas Living. She kind of helped connect us to Viva Tequila here and found a place that is family friendly so I can bring my wife and my kids. Just want to give a big shout out to my wife and my kids. They've been supporting us through this whole trip out here. Gigi also plays in a band here in Las Vegas called Metro Asylum. And in that band, there are 3 people from Guam. One of them right here is sitting next to me, Mr. Greg Sablan. He kind of helped connect all of this too. So I want to give a big shout out. I know the bass player's up there. Gene, right? Yeah, Gene. I forget. That's you. So those three people play in a band called Metro Asylum. They're actually going to play right here at Viva Tequila on November 15. So if you guys want to see them come out, these guys are monster musicians. You guys will definitely be pleased and have a great experience. So thank you to Gigi again. Thank you to Greg for making the connection to Viva Tequila. And thank you to Pat for all of this place, for letting us share this with you. All right, here we go. I got this request before I started, and I just got it again. I want to play this song. As you've been hearing up here, I'll explain a little bit of the technical side. I got a keyboard that has some drums on it. And if I don't play the drums right, it comes out kind of wrong, right? So drums are in there, the keys are in there, and then I play guitar, and I play bass, and I play ukulele. So I kind of loop it all together, but for this next song, I'm just gonna play the ukulele only because this song does it justice. This is a Ko'olo'a ukulele, everybody. It's beautiful, isn't it? I've been blessed for the past almost 10 years to be sponsored by Ko'olo'a Ukulele. So I want to just say thank you to them for giving me these wonderful instruments to help me to make music. My really good friend at Ko'olo'a in Hawaii, his name is Brian Beneventi. He's from Guam, and his dad's here tonight. So I want to give a big shout out to Uncle Ed. And I'm gonna tell you the coolest thing. I played a show in San Diego right after we took our kids to Disneyland and Legoland. Played a show in San Diego, played in Tucson, we played in Phoenix, we flew up to Seattle, played in Seattle, and now we're back here in Vegas. And it's so great to be able to see some of the people who joined us in Phoenix and then made the drive up here to Vegas as well. There were people in Washington that came down to Phoenix. So can I just say once again from the bottom of my heart, Girini Corazonu Zani Familaku. My wife, my kids are there. Thank you guys all for the love. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Here's a song. It was done by Israel Kamakaviva Ole on the ukulele by itself. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Uncle Ed, you can tell Brian how good this ukulele sounds right now, right?
Trouble melts like a lemon drop high above the chimney top. That's where you'll find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dreamed of, dreams really do come true. Someday you wish upon a star, wake up and the clouds are far behind. But trouble melts like a lemon drop high above the chimney top. That's where you'll find me, oh, somewhere over the rain.
Thank you very much for that request. All right, we're gonna jump into it here. Here's a song that was done by Brett Young, everyone. You might know it, you might recognize it. It was done by the group called Maoli, a little bit Island Style. So I'm gonna play a little bit Island Style. Shout out to Besta. These are my friends, everybody that we knew in Guam. They did a whole bunch of tours to Guam in the military. We made good friends with them in Guam. And my two friends, Besta and her son Ty, flew all the way over here from St. Louis today just for this show to surprise us. So shout out to you guys, man. Thank you. It was so good to see you guys. Here's a song called In Case You Didn't Know. See, I just made a mistake. So it's all real up here. Man, you guys got me a little nervous, Vegas. Thank you guys so much, man. I can count the time, almost saying what's on my mind, and I didn't. Just the other day, I wrote down all the things I'd say, but I couldn't. Baby, you know that you've been wondering. Oh, so here goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about ya. I would be lying if I said that I could live my life without ya, even though I don't tell you all the time. You had my all a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, the way you look tonight, the second glass of wine, that did it. There was something about your kiss, girl, it did me in, got me thinking. All of the things that I made her feel it. Oh, it's time you hear her. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about ya. I would be lying if I said that I could live my life without ya, even though I don't tell you all the time. And my all long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, the way you look tonight, second glass of wine, that did it. There was something about your kiss, girl, it did me in, got me thinking. All of the things that I made her feel it. Oh, it's time you hear her. In case you didn't know,
Baby, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could live my life without you, even though I don't tell you all the time. And my long time ago, in case you didn't know. All of the things that have made her feel it. Oh, it's time you're out. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could live my life without you, even though tell you all the time. And my long time ago, in case you didn't know. By request. And again, shout out to my friends, Besta and Ty, that came all the way from St. Louis to surprise us. Jesus Marcilan. All right. Let's jump into the request lines here. Thank you guys for all the requests. Gonna give a big shout out to Jason and Lexi for this request. Thank you, Jason and Lexi. For those of you folks who live out here in the States, you guys might know a group named the Zac Brown Band. The Zac Brown Band they were made famous by playing a song called the Chicken Fried Song. It's an awesome song, but in Guam, we don't have very many restaurants that sell chicken fried stuff. We sell fried chicken, but not chicken fried. So this is the Chicken Fried Song, just made a little bit of island style, and it's called Spam and Rice. So I hope you guys enjoy this version, yeah? Here we go. And for those of you guys who don't understand Chamorro, everything that I'm saying here in another language is just a different dish in the island. So if you come to Guam, there's 1,000 families that would be happy to make you all of these dishes and show some hospitality to you. So here you go. Hope you guys enjoy a song called Spam and Rice. Shout out to Jason and Alexi for this request. You guys know this song? Here's the chicken fried version. Oh, I like my chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio up. I can see the sunrise. I feel the alarm in the woman's drive. I feel the touch of a precious child. Know a mother's love. And like I said, we don't have very many chicken fried restaurants in Guam. So here's a song called Spam and Rice. And I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you, Jason and Alexi. Here we go. You know I like my Spam and Rice. Cut and picker sounds so nice. I feel you played up once or twice. With some Kellogg grain. The detox is nice and hot. The feeling that Danny just hit the spot. With the binard that's in the pot. Sa timagata game warning. I was raised on a rock in the middle of the sea. I'll tell you where I'm from. But no, it's not the island of Hawaii. But how's it, my Hawaiians? Well, the weather's fine and the ocean is always warm. It's heaven under the sun. It's my island of Guam, where we eat a lot of spam and rice. Cotton picker sounds so nice. Fill your plate up once or twice with some Kellogg grain. That the details is nice and hard. The feed the Danny to hit the spot. With dumping all do that's in the pot. So call your friend. When I moved to the States, I had to give up a lot of things. My life was oh so new, like Chaborro Punch, King Car iced tea, and Spam served at McDonald's. But I made it through and I always remembered my roots. In my heart I will always be forever Tamoru. 'Cause I eat a lot of spam and rice. Cotton picker sounds so nice. Fill your plate up once or twice with some Kellogg grain. That the details is nice and hot. The feed the Danny just hit the spot. With dumping all do that's in the pot. So call your friend. You know, Zac Brown wrote the third verse of this song to pay tribute to the men and women who have served in our military and armed forces. So I'm gonna keep that verse exactly as he wrote it and say thank you to all the servicemen and women out there. Here we go, you guys ready? I thank God for my life, for the stars and stripes. Let freedom forever fly. Let it ring. Salute the ones who died, the ones who gave their life, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our spam and rice. My spam and rice. Cotton picker sounds so nice. Fill your plate up once or twice with some Kellogg grain. That the details is nice and hot. Now feed the Danny just hit the spot. With dumping all do that's in the pot. So call your friend. How about a round of applause for our wonderful dancers up here? Thank you guys for dancing. Thank you. All right. This song has been requested by a lot of people here tonight. Let me see if I can call out some names. Shout out to Ty for this request. Shout out to John for this request. And shout out to Cindy for this request. Here's a song, everybody, called... Oh, and a shout out to my son, Capo. I think someone put that in there. My son's right there, Capo boy right there. And my daughter Dolce and my wife Jackie. Here's a song called Tennessee Whiskey, everybody. Thanks, Boy. Thank you to everybody who requested this song. This is one of my favorites. Used to spend my nights out in the bar room, Liquor was the only love ever known. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom, brought me back, being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned on your love all the time. I've looked for love in all the same old places. Found the bottom of the bottle always dry. But when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. 'Cause there's nothing like your love to get me high. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned on your love all the time. Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned on your love all the time. My request for so many people tonight, Jesus sponsor everybody, has a song called Tennessee Whiskey. All right. Before we go any further, we want to give a big shout out. It's Mr. Mitchell's 78th birthday tonight. Happy birthday, Mr. Mitchell. Shout out to you, and thank you to his son for letting me know. Shout out to the home of the brave. And my Uncle Sonny's in the house. If you ever come to Guam, you guys got to go check out Sonny's food truck for sure. He's got that kind of kadu that will put you to sleep. You guys know what I'm talking about. They call that boka maigo. Eat, then sleep. Thank you, Lai. Shout out to you guys. All right. Let's jump into the request lines one more time. I want to play a Chamorro song for you guys now. Here's a song, everybody, that was written by request. Here we go. There's no name on the request, but I want to play it for you. This is a song written by a guy named Peter Tampaku. Right now, Peter Tampaku lives in Washington, but he's been down in the Guam for years. And it was the coolest thing for me to play just on Saturday in Phoenix. We played for the Guam Liberation Celebration. And Peter Tampaco's sister was there. So, you know, they say in Guam, Guam's a small island and everybody kind of knows each other. But man, this world's a small island when we come out here and we can make these connections with everybody. So this is a song called Asagwaugi Umbanda. For the people in the house that can speak Chamorro, please don't translate this for your wives or your husbands, mostly your wives, okay? You might not get a pretty good response if you do translate this. But those of you who don't speak Chamorro, this talks about the flowers and how beautiful the wife is. I'll just say that, okay? Funny joke, my wife's like, hey, I really like that song. And I'm like, no, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. So now I'm going to have to give you guys some of the translations just so you can understand where the joke is, because I know we got some of our friends here who don't speak Chamorro. Okay. So this song says, I want to go with my friends. Okay, that's what it basically says. I want to go with my friends, but I can't. Because my wife is sitting on the side and she's watching. Then it says, I want to go and play around with the young, you know, obviously it's the young girls. And then the last line is, say, my wife is right there, she's waiting, and you know she's not happy. So the song has some funky lyrics to it. It's fun, it's meant to be a joke, but listen to how it sounds, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I want to give a shout out to my Uncle Bill Sarmiento in the house, because this song was played by the Compadres for years, and he was part of the original Compadres. Uncle Bill, keyboard is not my first instrument, so I'm going to give it all I got. Here we go. Shout out to the Compadres in the house. Doesn't that already sound fun, right? That sounds fun, right? Just never mind what the words say. We'll just take it to the... Here we go. Ang malago tu humanolo ti sinya sa mangatu. Yes, agwang giyun banda manananga. Ang malago tu maandilo ti sinya sa manhobin. Yes, agwang giyun banda manaatan. Sa makapita tu para bay patuloy pinagupot. Wikimintani bokay na puwengi. Ifamalauhan ay mandadanya giyun banda. Ilalahi giurita mabokata. Ay malago tuman niloti sinya sa manhubin. Yes, akwang giyun banda manaatan. Ay malago tumanoloti sinya sa mangatsu. Sa kwang giyun banda manaatan. Hulu 2, 3, 4 horas. Noticinya na imunadza na storya. Ipamaguon ay manmaigo sa gofes pangi. Sa timalago siya ikadimu at guadenti. Let's go! Ay malago tumana noticinya sa mangatsu. Manananga. Ang malago tumaan niloti sinya sa manhubin. Ay asagwang giyong banda manaatan. a song called Asagwao Giyong Banda by Peter Tampako Sinzus Mas, everybody. I'm going to take a quick pause, everyone, just to say hello and half a day to my mom and dad. This phone is up here because it's live streaming on my YouTube channel so that my mom and dad, who are all the way in Guam, can join with us. So on the count of 3, can you guys just give me a big half a day for my mom and dad and everybody who's tuning in the live stream? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you, everybody. Give me a second. I'm going to flip the camera around so my mom and dad can see everybody who's here tonight. At the last show that I played, a lot of people asked me who my family name is. My last name is Pereira. Shout out to the Pereiras in the back. From Maguilao, that's my dad's family. And my mom is Tanaguan, originally from the village of Pidi, and there's a lot of Tanaguans in Agate and Santa Rita. So if any of you were around in Guam and you know of Kwan's Apparel, Manuela Kwan, who owned the wedding gown shop, the only wedding gown shop in Guam for like 50 years, that's my grandmother. So that's how the connections we can make it. I'm going to do the spin around for this camera real quick to show my mom and dad. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys again for letting me say what's up to my mom and dad. Here we go. Next request inside here. All right, we're going to slow this one down a little bit. This is a song written by Dr. Chuck McJohn, and it was put out on the Marianas Homegrown CD. It's a song called Inner Voices. Come, stay with me for a while. Let my morning sun be your smile. And if you touch me, you know I'll be touching you. That's the way, yes, you know we can make it come true. You got to listen to the voices singing inside. They ambitious, but sometimes high. Listen to the voices singing inside to you. Yes, you. Kung sinya sumagaw ang ratu. Ini lagmag aginin nabu. Nun patsaw untuk wana upatsaw. Dahil winifi pwedyan di ama kung kanta sa parahago kung istorya giningwaho kung kanta sa parahago sa hago hago daw. Come stay with me for a while ko siya sumanggaon ratu maybe someday we might have a child waiting niya wahalo ko'y para conta into love that you and I know and my fanyongo I ginumagway at the inner voices singing as we ikanta makakanta para ako listen to the voices listen to the voices. My request, a song called Inner Voices. You know, I want to recognize that we have some people here tonight that don't speak Chamorro and aren't from the island of Guam, so I just want to say thank you for coming out and hanging out. Give a shout out here to Julie, because this is one of my favorite songs, that's why it's on the list. This is a song that was done by the Judds, everyone. You may know it. It's a song called Grandpa. And I want to dedicate this song to our grandpa. I wasn't gonna, this one's hard. I might get choked up on this one, okay? But this one's going out to him. Here's points for you, Papa Serge. Grandpa, tell me about the good old days. Sometimes it just feels like this world's gone crazy. And Grandpa, take me back to yesterday, on the line between right and wrong, and it seems so hazy. Lovers really fall in love to stay, stand beside each other come what may. Was a promise really something people kept, just something they would say, then forget? Families really bow their heads to pray, daddies really never go away. Whoa, Grandpa, tell me about the good old days. Grandpa, everything is changing fast. We call it progress, but I just don't know. And Grandpa, let's wander back into the past and paint me the picture of long ago. Lovers really fall in love to stay, stand beside each other, come one day. Was a promise really something people kept, just something they would say, then forget. Your families really bow their heads to pray. Your daddies really never go away. Oh, Grandpa, tell me about the good old days. Grandpa, tell me about the good old days. Sometimes it just feels like this world's gone crazy. Grandpa, take me back to yesterday. The line between right and wrong seems so hazy. Lovers really fall in love to stay, stand beside each other, come one day. Was a promise really something that people kept, just something they would say, then forget. Families really bound their heads to pray. Daddies really never go away. Oh, Grandpa, tell me about the good old days. Let's go. Lovers really fall in love to stay, stand beside each other, come one day. Was a promise really something people kept, just something they would say, then forget. Your families really bound their heads to pray. Your daddies really never go away. Oh, Grandpa, tell me about the good old days. A song from the Judds, everybody, a little bit of island style song called Grandpa. Shout out again to our dancers. Thank you guys for dancing. All right. Man, I appreciate that request so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, we're going to do one of my favorite songs, everybody. This is a song from Jesse Bias, who's one of our legends in Guam for sure and is still playing to this day. Here's a song called Alifan. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Shout out to Nadine Conception Regis in the house and her husband Franco. Thank you for this request. Are you guys enjoying yourselves tonight? Our goal was just to bring a little bit of home from the Marianas out to you guys here in Las Vegas, and I hope we did just that. To Zeus Mas, everybody, for spending some of your time on a Monday night with me. Thank you again. Thank you. Sing song kita isang kuwahan na namagufaoni ikanto tasi fresco I airi tumete plagi agunido iminang oftan na tao winhigi tanong isunatasi giminang lunbandan fresco na airi mas Winadata Winina isla Itanohu Guahu para Ogu Tori tiempo Hanutan kita alifan Anug na isa Turulutan kita bona Alifan Hanutan kita alifan Anug na isa Turulutan kita bona Alifan Na sexo Pizza is the guaha Na maguva oni Ikanto Itasi Frisco I airi Tumete plagi agunido Iminangofta na tau Winhigi Nota Isunatasi Kiminanglun banda Frisco na airi Imhas Quinatata Quinina isla Itanohu Guahu para Ogu Tori tiempo Anutan kita alipan Anug na isa Turulutan kita bona Alipan Anutan kita alipan Anug na isa Turulutan kita bona Alifa Yesunatasi Kiminanglun banda Frisco na airi Imhas Quinatata Quinina isla Itanohu Guahu para Ogu Tori tiempo Anutan kita alipan Anug na isa Turulutan kita bona Alipan Anutan kita alipan Anug na isa Turulutan kita bona Alipan A song by Jesse Vice, everybody called Alifan. Doesn't that song just bring you back to like Sunday brunch in Guam? Right? And by the way, if you come to Guam, I play for Sunday brunch at the Hyatt. I've been there for the past 5 years, so I'd love to see you. Jesus Mas, everybody. Thank you very much. Jesus Masi. All right, let's jump in here. The next request for you. All right, if you guys want a cha-cha, this is a song for you. Here's a song written by David Lee Evans. I hope you guys enjoy this. It's a song called Don't Blame It on the Ta-Ta-Ta. There we go. There we go. That sounds better. We got enough room up here if you guys want to come dance some cha-cha if you guys want. Maybe it's a perfume drifting through the air. Your head spinning out of control. Perhaps it's just the season, that could be the reason you never wanted her more. Maybe it's the skies reflecting in her eyes, and maybe it's that bottle of wine. It could have been her kiss, I wonder what it is. What's got you feeling so fine? Blame it on the ta-ta-ta, blame it on the moon. But you can say it's just this magic night, or blame it on this tune. Go on, tell me it's the stars up above. You can blame it on a thing called love. It's not the band singing na na na. Don't blame it on the ta-ta-ta. No, it's not the rhythm makes you move your feet. It's your heart now that's taking control. Oh, the feeling, the heart never lies, can be denied and denied. Wednesday night, papa na magang ay and ay malinikiluhu. Fanaan ay temponya, zen now night of sonya, no thoughts and now who gonna agree. Wednesday night, I read on game matomo, and Wednesday booties and binu. Zen Wednesday teen kunya, law fan any and now, sit my goof all night, pogu. Blame it on the ta-ta-ta, blame it on the moon. You can say it's just this magic night, or blame it on this tune. Go on, tell me it's the stars up above. You can blame it on a thing called love. It's not the band singing na na na. Don't blame it on the ta-ta-ta. No, it's not the rhythm makes you move your feet. It's your heart now that's taking control. Oh, the feeling, the heart never lies, can be denied and hide. Maybe it's a perfume drifting through the air, makes your head spinning out of control. Perhaps it's just the reason, that could be the reason you never wanted her more. Maybe it's the skies reflecting in her eyes, and maybe it's that bottle of wine. It could have been her kiss, I wonder what it is. What's got you feeling so fine? Blame it on the ta-ta-ta, blame it on the moon. You can say it's just this magic night, blame it on this tune. Go on, tell me it's the stars up above. You can blame it on a thing called love. It's not the band singing na na na. Don't blame it on the ta-ta-ta. No, it's not the rhythm makes you move your feet. It's your heart now that's taking control. Oh, the feeling, the all never lies, can be denied and high. 29 popo na magiging ID Anay malinikinu Fanaan ay tempo niya Zen now ay dason niya No thoughts are now hugan na gwi 29 ID Chetun di matomo And 20 butets in minu Zen 20 tini kunya Lo afaneni enao Sin bagu phao nai pogu Blaming on the ta-ta-ta Blaming on the moon You can say it's just this magic night Blame it on this tune Go on, tell me it's the stars above You can blame it on a thing called love It's not the band singing na-na-na Don't blame it on the ta-ta-ta No, it's not the rhythm makes you move your feet. It's your heart now that's taking control. Oh, the feeling that I never lied, be denied and high. Ta-ta. Blaming on the moon You can say it's just this magic night Blaming on this tune Go on, tell me it's the stars above You can blame it on a thing called love It's not the band singing na-na-na Don't blame it on the ta-ta-ta No, it's not the rhythm makes you move your feet. It's your heart now that's taking control. Oh, the feeling that never lies can be denied and Thank you very much to our dancers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, here's the next request for you, everybody. This is a song that my mom taught me when I was just learning the guitar way back when. So thank you very much, Mom. I appreciate it. They're watching back home in Guam. Here's a song that was written by Harry Belafonte. So it's a little oldie but goodie. You guys might recognize it. It's a song called Island in the Sun. And we have a Chamorro artist, Danny Orlino, who translated this song. When I kind of mentioned to you guys something about the 6th degree of separation and how small this world is, our bass player friend here, Gene, who plays in Metro Asylum. Once again, Metro Asylum, you can catch them right here on this stage November 15 if you guys want to come check them out. Monster musicians, a wonderful singer, Gigi, in the house. But the bass player, Gene, actually played with Danny Orlino back in Guam years ago when they did this song. So here's Island in the Sun. I'm going to play the English for all of our friends here who don't speak Chamorro, and then I'm gonna play the Chamorro as well, okay? Here we go. Thank you. promise you the English and the Chamorro. So for those of you who are not from the island of Guam, here you go. This is my island in the sun where my people have toiled since time began. I may sail on many a sea, but the shores will always be home to me. Oh, island in the sun, willed to me by my father's hand. On my days I will sing and praise for your forest waters, your shining sand. Esta isla que papatão, pinilonsus para itaw-taw. Kada puwing itapan manay tay sa titatungungayan di pinagtan. Isla que papatão, pinilonsus para itaw-taw. Kada puwing itapan manay tay sa titatungungayan di pinagtan. Cutting cane for her family. I see man at a waterside, casting his nets at the surging tide. Island in the sun, willed to me by my father's hand. All my days I will sing and praise for your pour of waters, your shining sun. Siya man medito man mamay sinadudu sa ufan sa fu ipinyedu. Isla que papandao, pinilunzuos para itaw-taw. Kada puwing tapan manay sa titatungungayan kifinatay. Isla Paraiso, man mamay sinadudu sa ufan sa Filipinyedu. Isla ipapandao, pinilunzuos para itaw-taw. Kada puwing tapan manay sa titatungungayan kifinatay. Island in the sun, willed to me by my father's hand. All my days I will sing and praise for your far-off waters, your shining sun. A Harry Belafonte song with a little bit Chamorro in there. Thank you very much, everyone. Okay, I've been seeing this request come in. We're going to slow this one down just a little bit. If you guys will allow me to slow it down. This is a very powerful song, a song from Frank Bokugo Pangilinan, everyone. If anybody here is from the island of Saipan, Frank Bokugo came from the island of Saipan, and he was lived in Guam for a while. Here's a song called Chistizu. By the way, a pretty cool connection. If you guys like the way this guitar sounds, I bought these pickups a long time ago from American Music in Guam. And American Music in Guam was owned by Mr. Greg Sablan and his lovely wife, Janice Sablan. So thank you for these pickups. They've traveled with me forever. So that's pretty cool, you know? Jistidu Putih coração Hagu iguinai Zaku Todo e tempo So I know you guys know this song, right? And there's an echo behind it. You guys know that, right? So how about when I sing the song, you guys sing the echo for me? Can you do that? All right, here we go. Ready? Seditu Septai dispensation. Thank you guys, that was awesome. Hagu imasahu Esta fugu, I got goosebumps. Coração Ituneni ni guinai dan fondunku rasondu Sampai pumeti hau nabai fanyot sudnu isau Hongu ilina lahu Wegitan on Jinisti dan piniti coração vai padeci coração assinai no qual sa estadio sungu imaholangu Ituneni ni guinai dan fondunku rasonku Sampai pumeti hau nabai fanyot sudnu isau Hangu ilina lahu Wegitan ani Dan piniti coração vai padeci Ongihau Todos aparelhos Algo isat baixonu Hilutonu dan fondunku rasondu Metihaw na ba'y Fanyot sunu Isaw Hangu ilina law Wengin zan ay Chinisti zan pinitin Corazon Vai padesi Chistitude by Frank Vocal Franklin. Thank you for that request. All right, we got this request in here, and I want to play it for you guys. This is a song that's done by many bands out there. Covered this song. It's a tough song. It's a song called Hotel California, and if you know this song, the live version had a very, very intricate guitar solo in it. I'd like to say once again thank you to Kolo Ukulele for blessing me and my family over the past 10 years with these beautiful instruments. I did a composition of the instrumental for Hotel California on the ukulele instead of the guitar. So I'd like to play that for you because I saw the request came in. There was no name on the request, but whoever requested Hotel California, thank you very much. And here goes, everybody. I'm going to do my best. Again, shout out to Uncle Ed. His son, Brian Beneventi, is the vice president for Kolo Ukulele in Hawaii. And again, he's blessed us so much. Me and my family so much, so thank you. Here we go. Hotel California, a little bit of island style for you. On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I had to stop for the night. Then she stood in the doorway. I heard the mission bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. She lit up the candle. She showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. Thought I heard them say, welcome to Hotel California. Such a lonely place, such a lonely place. There's plenty of room at the Hotel California any time of year, but you can find it here. And mine is Tiffany Twisted. She got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys she calls friends. They dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain, said, please bring me my wife. We haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lonely place, such a lonely place. plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Mirrors on the ceiling, big champagne on ice. We are all just prisoners here of our own device. In their master's chamber, gather for the feast. Stabbed in with the stealing knives, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I hope to find the passage back to the place I was before. Like said the Nine Man, we are programmed to receive. You can check out anytime you like, but you can't ever leave. Welcome to Hotel California. Such a lonely place, such a lonely place. There's plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, but you can find it here. Hotel California on ukulele, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. I saw this request come in. I'm going to play it for you guys. If you guys will allow me to slow it down again one more time. I know that this song takes a lot of people back home. I can't help but notice that when I played some of these Chamorro songs that we've all known and grown up with and loved, I've seen some people in the audience cry. I know these songs pull on some heartstrings, and our goal when my wife and I left the island of Guam, we really just sat down, we said a prayer, and we just asked God to bring a little bit of the Marianas out to the people out here who might be mahaling. So this is a song from J.D. Crutch. He did the translation. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's a song called Apumagi. Thank you for this request. Tai kiitining o punhogu Tatua toka hounds and gin Undingu Ohuli hau gipangi Down lagu Himatamu Tama patatu Maski pambai usongan Otiu hongi Itelu Napu titu Naipogu Ni kwa hugagai Imagoit Kifihonmu Apu magigia pagahu Bisa nganya ni studio Sa hogu tahu Apu magigia pangahu Ta bisa nganya ni studio Sa hogu tahu Sinyati un hongi Nakura sonuku makati Ai purhagu Ai lohagu itelu Ai magahiti unahasu Na purhagu tunai neni na mafatu Auna klaru itagwahu Zan magahit na titamu Dabe wanau na ina onhu na nyungu Apu magigia pangahu Bisa nganya ni studio Sa hogu tahu Apu, thank you for that, thank you Tangahu Ta bisa nganya ni studio Sa hogu tahu Nganya ni studio Sa hogu tahu By request, a song called Apumbagi from JD Crutch. Thank you very much for that request. All right. Man, I saw this request in here. There's no name on it. Everybody out here who lives in the States should know this song. It's a country song that was done by Old Crow Medicine Show. And we just flipped it and made it a little bit island style for you. I have this song recorded. If you guys like this version, you can find it on all the streaming platforms or whatever. Here's a song called Wagon Wheel, everybody. Here we go. Headed down south to the land of the pine, thumbing my way into North Carolina, staring out the moon and praying to God I see headlights. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers. I'm hoping for Raleigh I could see my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Me mama any way you feel. Hey mama, rock me. Rock me mama like the wind and the rain. Me mama like a southbound train. Hey mama, rock me. Running from the cold up in New England, I was born to be a cruising on a tropical island. My baby plays the keyboard, I pick this ukulele now. North country winter keeps getting me down. It's my money playing poker and I had to leave town. I ain't turning back to living that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Let's go! Walking due south down a Roanoke, caught a trucker out of Philly at a nice long tow. He's heading west to the Cumberland Gap, Johnson City, Tennessee. I gotta get a move on before the sun. I hear my baby calling my name and I know that she's the only one. And if I die in Raleigh, I know I will die free. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. That's a song called Wagon Wheel. Jesus Mas, everybody. Thank you for that request. All right, in just a few minutes, I'm gonna take a short break. We only planned this from 6 to 8 p.m., but if you guys are willing, I'd love to play a little bit more, maybe till 9 o'clock if you guys have some time. Jesus Mas, everybody, for hanging out. Before I take a break, during the break, I'd love to take pictures with you guys, something for us to keep as a memory for me, my wife, and my kids. So if you'd like to take a picture of me, I'd be so honored. But before I do, we got a little gift for you guys. We have some shirts that we brought from Guam. They show the spirit of the Marianas. And we have a couple up here. Unfortunately, we don't have one for everybody in the house. But what we've done in the past shows in San Diego, Seattle, and Phoenix, and Tucson is we've given out a shirt to the people who traveled the farthest for this show. So, I'm gonna hold one of these because my friends Besta and Ty literally flew here from St. Louis. So I know my primos flew here from Guam, so they get a shirt. If anybody else flew here from Guam, you go, but I'm gonna hold one here. This one's for Besta and Ty. They had to leave a little early, so that one's for them. But Centennial Hills, I have no idea where that is. It's far? Okay, so we got one candidate here for Centennial Hills, okay? Oh, come on, we got Henderson over there. Someone's gonna say Jigo, and I know someone's gonna say Yamada. Okay, man, my wife's over there, and she helped me with this the last time. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I got the 6th one for best ever time. Okay, I know they came from St. Louis. They gotta be in the top 6, right? So I got 5 shirts here. So really, one of these is gonna be for my primo who came all the way from Guam back there, Tom Roberto in the house, and Joe. So this one's for him. Literally, guys, he literally just flew here and he messaged me. He's like, Prim, we're gonna be in Vegas with you. And I'm like, wow, okay. So this one's gonna go to him who came from Guam. Did anybody come farther than Guam? You flew here from the Philippines. When did you arrive here? 2 days ago. Okay, well, the Philippines is farther than Guam, so thank you very much for coming this far. Okay, we got one from Mesa, Arizona. Okay, Seattle, Washington, and Mesa, Arizona. Hold on, we have to figure this out. No, we have. When did you arrive from Saipan? Dala, you didn't come from my show then? Basta man, mandadagit to me. Come on. Really? Okay, hold on, because we got Mesa, Arizona, and we got Seattle. They flew. Man, thank you guys so much. Can anybody beat Seattle or Mesa, Arizona? Yes. Elan, yeah. Okay, Mesa, Arizona, thank you so much for making the drive up. And Seattle, Washington, thank you so much for flying down. I got one more. If anybody is in that range, you came from Idaho, hey, thank you, brother. Here you go. Come and grab this. Primo, this is yours. And then we got one here for Ty, and I'm going to mail this to them. Wait, where is Centennial Hills? Is it farther than Idaho? 20 miles that way. Here you go, brother. Here you go. All right. And this one's for you, Prim. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Okay, I'm going to play one more song, and then I'm going to take a break if you guys want. And if Pat, can we take this till 9 o'clock? Is that okay? All right, on the owner says yes. If you guys want to hang out till 9, oh, sorry. You know, Pat, I know you got a pretty big decision in that. But really, I think the end decision is my wife. Honey, can we stay till 9? You know, right? Happy wife, happy life. Okay, so I'm going to play one more song for you from the request lines, and then we'll take it from there. All right. Okay, I played a bunch of Chamorro songs, so I'm going to take a little shift over. We'll just play one of the country songs that we like. Going to give a big shout out here to Mark and Megan. They're actually tuning in from Florida on the live stream. So shout out to them. I've seen them in Guam a lot. There's other people who requested this song as well. Let me pull it out. A shout out to Kurt for this song. And there's another one who requested it. It doesn't have a name on it. But this is one of my favorite songs, everybody, from Brooks and Dunn. It's a song called Neon Moon. So if you guys enjoy this one, hope you guys enjoy my island-style version of this. This is another song that takes me back to Sunday brunch. Sunday brunch in Guam is one of my favorite gigs. Everybody's just so positive on a Sunday. They just came from church. It helps that it's all you can drink at the buffet and all you can eat too. So here's a song called Neon Moon. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Honey, do you have my water? The sun goes down on my side of town. Lonesome feeling comes through my door, and the whole world turns blue. Thank you guys for dancing again. There's a rundown bar across the railroad tracks, and a table for two way in the back, where I sit alone, I think of losing you. I spend most every night beneath the light of a neon moon. If you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely. Watch your broken dreams dancing out of the beam of a neon moon. We're two young lovers running wild and free. Close my eyes, sometimes see you in the shadow of the smoke-filled room, telling how many tears I've sat here and cried, how many lies that I'm lied to my poor heart. She'll come back someday. Oh, but I'll be alright as long as there's light from a neon moon. If you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely. Watch your broken dreams dancing out of the beams of a neon moon. The jukebox plays on drink by drink. Words to every sad song seem the same one, I think. This hurt inside of me ain't never gonna end. Oh, and I'll be alright as long as there's light from a neon moon. If you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely. So watch your broken dreams dancing out of the beam of a neon moon. Sun goes down on my side of town. Lonesome feeling comes through my door, and the whole world turns blue. There's a rundown bar across the railroad tracks, and a table for two way in the back where I sit alone. Losing you, I spend most every night beneath the light of a neon moon. If you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely. So watch your broken dream dancing out of the beam of a neon moon. Just a short break, everybody. Thank you guys again for hanging out with us. And thank you for wanting to stay. We'll play till 9 o'clock, just one more set. If you guys want to take a picture with me, I'd be so honored, and I'd love to take a picture with you too. So sponsor everybody, and thank you again to our dancers. Up there, everyone. I will. Right off, right. Thank you, thank you. Capo. Give me a second, give me a second. 1 second, I'm just gonna turn these off. Hi, let me jump down.
Thank you.
Test one. Test one, two, right?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you guys for staying and hanging out with me for a little bit more. We got a special treat tonight for those of you guys who stayed, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me just make sure the guitar and the ukulele are all tuned up. And once again, from the bottom of my heart, and also from my wife and my two kids, Jesus Moss, everybody, for really showing us a lot of love here in Las Vegas. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Where did she go? Oh. Here's a song from Johnny Sablana, everybody, by request. It's a song called Nobia Neni. For those of you who remember this song, you guys, it'll take you back. Here we go. Dahil gumupugi isla ilangin Ugan guatu kichongku mapagahi Anay huli isineni Antes diha dingudu Zahasangan Antes di umaigo Nahagway zadu Hagu neni Hagu na palawan Ugwi gwifi Aoni zapwengi Saitoku hao Tenito mudu No bieneni Hagu na palawan Hagu haneni Aoni zapwengi Ugwi gwifi Saitoku hao Tenito mudu No bieneni Sesu hahasui tempo Hagu neni Deni flores mu Sa uningo tu Gi Un puengi Lo está neni Tiu langan So justito That go for my heart Kondito neni Tatahita Ilang ilisla Ogu neni Ogu na palawan Ugwi gwifi Aonita pwengi Saitoku hao Tenito mudu No bieneni Ogu na palawan Ogu haneni Haanitan pwengi Ugwi gwifi Saitoku hao Tenito mudu No bieneni Hagu neni Hagu na palawan Ugwi gwifi Aonita pwengi Saitoku hao Tenito mudu No bieneni Hagu na palawan Hagu haneni Aonita pwengi Ugwi gwifi Saitoku hao Tenito mudu No bieneni My request is a song from Johnny Sablon called No Bieneni. If you guys don't mind me keeping it just a little bit chill, I'd like to play this other song by Johnny Sablon. Because I got the request for it, I'm going to send this one out to all of the mothers, the grandmothers, and the godmothers out there. Hi, my boy. This is my son, Capo, everybody. And this one's going to go out to my mom, too. It's a song called Inana Gi Familia. So it's a song that talks about the mother of the family. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Thank you for this request. naging familia. Masehat at pagupang-unita. Honra gitodo si tiempo sa kalanangin para ita. Bonita si Nano, di umaatik para raraina. Bonito niya si Nano, kiun blanding Americana. Dia tagisi Nano, ileites tayo siya kitenda. Todo tiempo listo y mudan mami. Masaya pinat man malimenda. Escuela si Nano, ti certifico ni un diploma. Lo guidam fumano, nasi tus na vai adorar. Todos hamdu ni Nona, guftat ki luisagan mitu. Si tus infan minendisi, putodos ibidan mitu. Istatay qui pagu sinona. Lumaguf mong gitodo sa esta utungo na sinona. Gay gipogo gifion azul. Going out to all the moms, the grandmothers, and the godmothers out there. Thank you for that. All right, I got this request, and here's something special that I was talking about. This is a song that was recorded by Flora Bazaquan. Flora Bazaquan is married to my mom's first cousin, so it's Auntie Flora to me. But instead of singing it myself, I'm gonna actually ask my daughter, my 10-year-old daughter Dolce, to come up and sing this. She's got a more beautiful voice that's appropriate for this song. So let's do this. Please give a round of applause for my beautiful daughter Dolce Cecilia here, everybody. Ready? I have to put a little disclaimer here because she initially didn't want to do this because she came a little under the weather. We've been traveling for the past 20 days. And we've been, Los Angeles, San Diego, Tucson, Phoenix, Seattle. And the kids have been such troopers. And she caught a little bit of a cold under the weather. So I asked her if she wanted to sing. She was like, oh. And I said, come on, just do it. Just give everything you got. So she's going to give you everything she has. And just know that if she wasn't under the weather, she'd be really singing awesome. I'm sure she's gonna do fine now. But here you go, Dolce Cecilia, everybody. Here we go. song called Hog Gravity. Okay, here we go. I think I'm more nervous. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're in here. I told you you guys would enjoy that a lot better than it was me. Thank you, honey. I love you. How do I follow that? You know, one thing I forgot to say earlier before everybody had to go, and I totally I totally understand because it's a Monday night. People have, kids have school tomorrow, and people have work tomorrow. So I really appreciate just people showing up and making all of the effort. And for those of you who stayed here even longer, thank you guys so much. But the one thing I forgot to say earlier, thank you. One thing I forgot to say earlier was, a lot of the folks here in Las Vegas, we've only been able to connect through Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. And a lot of those times were when we were locked down in the pandemic, right? When we had nowhere to go. So in our house, I remember the date, it was March 16, Monday. I actually had 10 gigs booked that week because it was Mes Chamorro in Guam and there was a lot of events. And on Monday, I got call after call after call, and all the gigs it went from 10 gigs to 0. And so we were sitting in the house, and my wife was saying, what are we gonna do? And I said, I have no idea. I've never done this before. And so, as she said, we were getting kind of bored, there's only so many things you can do to clean the house. And so she says, what we're gonna do? I said, you know what? I'm gonna live stream, and I had some experience live streaming. And she looks at me and she said, where? Because my son was 9 months old at the time, and the whole house was in baby mode. There was a playpen there, a crib there, a rock. And she's like, where are you gonna live stream? And I was like, okay, the front porch. So if you remember the live streams of me on the front porch, that was exactly why. And then slowly as the weeks went on, we kind of shifted the baby stuff and she put me in the corner. I'm like, of course. The naughty boy, right, was always going to get put in the corner. So I was in the corner, and we really connected with all of you through those live streams. And a lot of people, especially in all of the other cities, they said, thank you, Joe, for you and your wife for taking us through the lockdown. You guys made it such an enjoyable time for us to, tune into your live streams. And the truth is, as much as you guys feel that we uplifted you guys with the music, what we did after every live stream is what we look forward to every time was we shut the live stream down, we replayed the live stream on the TV, and we went through and read every single one of the comments. I remember one of the live streams had over 600 comments, and I promise you, if you go back, we liked and read every single comment because that's how we were uplifted. We were stuck in the house too, and that's how just to see how many of you guys, and a lot of people from Las Vegas, again, thank you guys so much for all the love. I really appreciate it. So I did get a request for my wife to sing, and for those of you who tuned into the live streams, you may have heard my wife sing. I actually forced her to sing, but she had to breastfeed, so if you see some of those live streams and you replay them, my wife's actually nursing while she's singing. Of course, she's covered up, but honey, you want to sing? You want to sing a song with me? Come on up, hon. Give me a second, I'm gonna get a second microphone for this one. I do gotta tell you, it's hard to travel and play shows, I will tell you. Back home, I have all the gear that I need at my access, and I just drive up and I unload all the gear that I need. Here, man, I tell you, it's nice to have Home Depot down the street, Amazon same-day delivery. I tell you, man, because some of the things you forget is like, oh wow. And this is my son, Capo Anthony, everyone. Okay, we're gonna do this number for you. We'll get it. I know we will. Oh my goodness.
Mic test, 1, 2, test 1, 2. You can find us every Saturday night at Maina Catholic Church, 5 p.m. Mass. That's where I play with him. I think we haven't sung this song since that recording.
Probably. Okay. Yeah, she did say we do play every Saturday at Maina Mass. So if you're in Guam, you want to come
That's when we
sing
sing together.
Yeah. Pretty funny story. I met her. She's been playing for her church and leading the the masses since she was 15 years old, and she plays piano. She's actually a piano instructor, so she's the real musician in the family. Everybody, I'm just kind of the hack, right? But I met her, and she says, "Do you want to play for church?" And I said, "No, I can't do that. I can't do that. Those songs are hard, right? I'm just a 4-chord musician up here, reggae songs." And she says to me, "So when are you going to give back the talent that God gave you?" And I said, "Whoa.
It's the Catholic guilt.
My goodness."
Catholic guilt.
And I said, "Oh, okay." So I go and I sit in to play next to her with the ukulele in church. And one of the ladies, the BS, comes over and she goes, "Hi there, boy. Did Father approve you to play that in the church?" And I'm like, and she goes, "No, sir, no, he's good. He's really good. He's really good." And she thought it was a toy. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this. This is a song called Love and Honesty. Here we go. We haven't sang this song in that long, I forgot who's first. Brown skin, light brown eyes, golden hair from sunny skies, a haunting smile of fresh peacock lane. Some touch, warm embrace, tears of joy, they run down my face. I think of you every single day.
There's more to life than getting by. There's times in life to really try. My love for you really made me see. I won't give up, won't lose my dreams. Your being there is everything, and I promise you love and honesty.
Sunsets, deep moon rise, calming seas under balmy skies. I'll walk with you beneath the whispering trees. We laughed so much our throats were dry, shed our hearts, teary eyes. Let this light remind us there's a way.
There's more to life than getting by. There's times in life to really try. My love for you really made me see. I won't give up, won't lose my dreams. Your being there is everything, and I promise you love and honesty.
And I promise you love and honesty. And I promise you love and honesty. Not bad for not doing it in a couple of years. My beautiful wife, everybody, Jackie, and my son, Capo. Okay, I want to give a big shout out to Hugo, who's the manager here at Viva Tequila, and all the bartenders and the servers who have worked all night to try and give you guys the best service as possible. So Sizus Masi to them, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I think we got time for one more jam. Let's pull it out here. Okay. Man, we got a lot of requests. I'm sorry I haven't been able to fulfill all of them. I've been playing requests all night, trying to give it all. Okay, here's what we're going to do. This is a song that Candy Taman did, everybody. We have time for two songs. This is a song that Candy Taman did. It's a song called Corona and Flores, and I know this song brings everybody back home. So hope you guys. I gotta jam this before we go. Here's a song called Corona and Flores. Bestial, Corona and Flores para itetong asintadui magagumu makihadihaw ismuyabigamu nagwaha ochu zadinansikea sa ufat tao gihalom tao tao lobay sunguni pinadesi afadu by togui Tangin now disposition mo aloquineni Taung dia sempre untun pinitimu tautang atati ikimamu ichongkunatmu anaman Flores uasuhauneni tangahao gifionu Baguonta Consuelo Cada puengi Anadinguha Puriochu Naguinaitamu Lubay sunguni pinadesi Apadu by Togui Tangin and now disposition mo aloquineni Taung dia sempre untun pinitimu Tautang atati ikimamu Sunguni pinadesi afadu by Togui Tangin and now disposition book aloquineni Taung dia sempre untun pinitimu Tautang atati Mamu. A song by Candy Tam and Corona and Flores. I know that one brings everybody back home. All right, I think we got time for one more if we can. Here's a song by request again. This song was originally done by a guy named Jerry Santos from Olomana, Hawaiian song. And we took all of the Hawaiians lyrics and made the equivalent kind of Chamorro. So here's a song called Mahalang Nuhagu, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Yeah, let's go. I remember days when we were younger. We used to catch manyahong down along the beach. Through Talafofo hills, we ride on horseback. So long ago it seemed it was a dream. Last night I dreamt I was returning. In my heart, called out to you. But I fear you won't be like I left you. Thank you. I look in my heart, Nuhagu. I remember days when we were wiser. We laughed and sang the whole night long. And I will greet you as I find you, with the sharing of a brand new song. Last night I dreamt I was returning. In my heart, called out to you. But I fear I am not as I left you. I look in my heart, Nuhagu. Change is the strangest thing, it cannot be denied. Can help you find yourself or make you lose your pride. Move with it slowly on the road we go. Please don't hold on to me, we all must go alone. And I remember days when we were smiling, when we laughed and sang the whole night long. And I will greet you as I find you, with the sharing of a brand new song. Last night I dreamt I was returning. In my heart, called out to you. But I fear I am not as I left you. I look in at my heart like Nuhagu. That's gonna be my last song for the night, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joe Guam. Ondokles is Dusmas, everybody, for spending some of your time here with us tonight. We make it back home on Wednesday, and I wanted to play the Mahalang Nuhagu song for you guys. And if you guys get just a little bit Mahalang for everybody back in the islands, you're home back in the islands, and all your family will be there waiting for you guys. Si Dusmas, everybody. Have a day. Thank you, Lai. Thank you, guys.